So finding your comfortable position, taking a moment to allow the body to relax, taking a gentle breath in and away, a gentle breath in and away. Noticing any sensations in the body. Noticing where you can feel the breath coming in and going out. Awareness on the breath, like an ocean wave flowing in and out. And as you're sensing your breath in and out, you might also sense that your mind is a vast ocean, and deep in the ocean, beneath the surface, it is calm and clear. And from that deep place in the ocean, you look up towards the surface. No matter what is going on in your life, no matter what these conditions are, deep in the ocean, it's calm and clear. By focusing on the breath, this allows you to access the depth and stillness of your mind, as vast as the ocean. And from this deep, peaceful place, you look up at the waves on the surface. And the waves represent the thoughts and emotions of your mind. Thoughts and emotions are just there on the surface. They come and go, in and out of your awareness each day. Awareness to the breath, bringing you back to this peaceful place, feeling the profound depth of your mind. When a thought, feeling, or memory comes, calmly take note of that thought and direct your awareness back to the breath. Awareness to the breath, and seeing if you can allow yourself to enjoy the deep tranquility that deep tranquility that comes from sensing the breath and knowing that by focusing your mind on the breath brings you to this deep place of calm and clarity. And bring in this same quality of kind awareness to the rest of your day, feeling relaxed in your body and mind. And when you're ready, gently opening the eyes.